Welcome back to Geography 101. I'm your host, Daniel Lucas, and today we're heading north to explore one of the most unique and breathtaking places on Earth, Iceland, known as the land of fire and ice. Iceland is a country that blends natural extremes, active volcanoes, and massive glaciers, roaring waterfalls, and endless stretches of lava fields. In this episode, we'll uncover what makes Iceland such a fascinating country, not only its geography, but it's also its culture and way of life. Iceland is the island nation located in the North Atlantic Ocean between Greenland and mainland Europe. Despite its relatively small size, about 103,000 square kilometers, it is directly on the mid Atlantic ridge where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. This location makes Iceland one of the most geo- geologically active regions in the world. Its landscape is constantly being reshaped by volcano eruptions, earthquakes, and glacial movements, creating a natural laboratory for Earth's processes. Even though Iceland sits just south of the Arctic Circle, its climate is surprisingly milder than many people expect. Thanks to the warm waters of Gulf Stream, Iceland avoids the extreme cold that grips other northern regions. Winters are long and dark, with only few hours of daylight, while summers bring the midnight sun, where daylight can last nearly 24 hours. The dramatic cycle of light and dark makes Iceland a prime destination to witness the northern lights in winter and the magical glow of endless summer days. Iceland earns its fairy reputations from its numerous volcanoes, over 113 total, many of which are still active. The eruption of volcano in 2010 reminded the world of Iceland's raw power, grounding flights across Europe with a massive ash cloud. But beyond the drama, Icelanders benefit from the geothermal energy, which provides clean electricity and hot water to early every home in the country. The harnessing of volcanoes makes Iceland one of the world's leaders in sustainable energy. And let's give them a big hand for that. Iceland, thank you for making planet Earth sustainable for our next generation to come. On the other side of the spectrum, glaciers cover about 11% of Iceland's surface. The largest glaciers in Europe dominates the southern eastern region with ice so thick it buries entire mountains beneath it. These glaciers give this rise of stunning rivers and waterfalls such as Glyphos and Dutifos, are among the most powerful in Europe. The combination of glaciers and volcanoes side by side is what truly defines the paradox of Iceland's landscape. Iceland geography offers a collection of natural wonders unlike anywhere else. black sand beaches, and that shoot boiling water skyward, and dramatic fjords curved by ancient ice make islands photographers dream. National parks such as the highlight natural beauty and historical significance, as it was the site of the world's first parliament in 930 AD. Every corner of the island seems to tell the story about Earth's history and humanity resilience. Iceland's population is small, just over 370,000, but its culture is rich and deeply rooted in history. The capital is Reykjavik, is the northmost capital city in the world. Has changed very little. Yes, yes, let's say congratulations Ireland for being one of the best country in the world. And the Icelandic language has changed very little since medieval times, allowing modern Icelanders to read the sagas of their Viking ancestors in their original form. The people are known for their close ties, oh, close ties to nature, their innovative spirit, and their emphasis on a community is one of the world's most remote nations. And Iceland is more than just a country. It's a living example of how nature and humanity can exist in harmony. It's a very it's a fairy volcanoes, icy glaciers, and a stunning landscape remind us of Earth power, while its people show resilience, innovation, and creativity. For geography lovers, Iceland stands as a classroom in itself, teaching lessons about geology, climate, sustainability, and culture. As we close this journey through the land of fire and ice, remember that Iceland is not just a place on the map, it's an experience of nature and its most raw and inspiring. More to come, people. See you soon.